Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So Born Pretty allowed me to pick out 5 polishes from their site. So thank you to Born Pretty for allowing me to pick out these colors. And so sorry y'all, my voice is still raggedy from this upper respiratory infection that's going on week 2. So the first color is 𝑐𝒉 This is a color gel from their Silky White series. They have a total of 130 colors in this series, a nice mauve kind of pink rose tinted color. The next one is Thermal Nail Gel number 15. It goes from a purple to a pink. And then we have Thermal Nail Gel number 13, which goes from a light pink to a white, and I love both of those because they have glitter in them. And then the next color is a Reflective Moonlight Cat Magnetic Gel RM06, nice purple. And the last one is another Reflective Moonlight Cat Magnetic Gel RM04, which is like a kind of dusky dark gray silver color. So I'm going to be polishing some nail tips. These are short square. So I decided to do a mani with the Thermal Nail Gel number, I think it's number 15, that goes from the purple to the pink. So I'm going in and applying base coat, then I will cure for 60 seconds, and then I will apply 2 coats of color. So just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. And so after I do that second coat, and you can see the color kind of changing there on the nail, going from the purple to pink, just from curing in the UV lamp. I'm going in with the alcohol wipe and removing the tacky layer from the nail because I'm going to go in with some nail stickers. And y'all, if y'all hear all this lot of buzzing, fuzzy sounding noise or background noise, it is pouring down rain in here in North Carolina, like pouring down raining. And so I'm just wiping off that tacky layer, and I couldn't decide what stickers I wanted to use. I had these that were kind of white with black on them. I had these water decals, and then I had these, and I decided to use these. I don't know what it is, kind of like a gemstone type nail sticker. I think I got these from either Temu or Shein. And so I'm just going to apply something to the nails because number one, I wasn't feeling good and I needed to get this video recorded. But overall, I thought these nails were really, really cute and simple. And so with Born Pretty, I do have a discount code. I will have that in the description box below. And so once I get the stickers pressed down on the nail, I am going to go in with Born Pretty's, I think it was 6-in-1 nail glue to encapsulate the stickers. And then I'll go in with Born Pretty Super Top Coat and Cure. Well, both of them require curing in the LED lamp. The 6-in-1 nail gel and the Super Top Coat. So I did apply rhinestones as well to my pinky and the thumbnail. So here are the finished nails, and so I hope you guys like it. I thought it was really, really cute. I didn't put the nails on because again I wasn't feeling well, and thank you guys so much for the well wishes. I really appreciate that. If you liked the content, I thought it was really simple mani, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so because it is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks for putting up my raggedy voice. Hopefully it's not raggedy for too long. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.